Hello everyone and welcome back. This video is on how to cut cowl sleeve. I have this basic straight sleeve in this channel. I will leave the link in the description box. What I will do now is to cut this one into two. I have half of it. I will measure from the point 4.5 inches. I'll measure from this point here 3.5 inches. And from here, from where I mark, place my tape here 2 inches and 2 inches. Then I will place my tape here. I will measure 2 inches. In this place, 2 inches from here. From here is 2 inches. Like that. Then I will cut here. I fold into two. After folding the material into two, then I will place on top, hold with pin. I will cut here. I will notch this place. I will sew here. This way I'm going to sew. I'm done sewing here. This is the bottom. I will sew here. And this place is where I will sew on the armhole. I will also leave the link of this sleeve in the description box. This is it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. This is a simple way on how to cut cowl sleeve. Please share this video to friends and loved ones. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.